Hey, welcome to all new scrolls, come reviews and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. All right, so my swatches are already on my arms because as I was recording, my mic wanted to cut off on me because the battery went low. Okay, so my mic is playing games on me. Okay, so now this is going to be even quicker because I already swatched it on my arm, so you didn't get my live reaction. That's so sad, and I'm so upset about that because I like to give my live reaction with these. But I'm still excited to bring to you guys the Juvia's Place, the Zulu by Juvia's, and the Saharan 2 by Juvia's. Okay, I'm just now purchasing these products from Juvia. Juvia is a black-owned company, and I'm just now purchasing from them. And I didn't even know they was in Secaucus, New Jersey. Some people say Secaucus, I say Secaucus. So I'm like, what? You right here, and I still didn't buy from you until recently? Like, that's not cool. And I've been seeing these all around, and ever since I purchased these, I've been seeing these a lot, especially this one, the Sahara 2 one. So I'm like, what's going on? So I'm going to get into the price after. Since I already got the swatches on, I don't want them to, rub off or anything while I'm talking because you guys know I like to talk with my hands. So we're going to get into the first palette. I think this side was this palette. So we're going to start with this palette because this is on my eyes as well. Well, the majority of my eyeshadow is with this palette. And that will be another video where I talk about it. That'll be a separate video. Okay. All right. So we're going to get up close. All right, so we have close to personal. So we're going to do the Saharan by Juvia's, okay? And this is what it looks like, and it does have names, all right? So as you guys can see, I already swatched. And this is what I have on my eyes. I have this color here, and this color here, and this color up here, okay? And those colors are Fez, Taza, and Hadia, okay? So now, this is what it looks like on my arm. So I'm going to point out what's on my arm. I hope I get it right. So this is Hadia. This is Aziza. This is Marrakesh. This is Aziza. This is Hadia. This is Berber, the blue one. This is Nomad right here. And this is Chef Chuan, I'm jacking his name up. This is Fez. This is Zora. Oh, that's a nice color. And this is Taza. Okay, I need to try that the next time. And yeah, this is what I have on, and this is what I have on, and Taza somewhere. But yeah, so this is what the colors look like. Okay, bam, bam, bam. So yeah, this is a nice like a nice fall subtle, if you will, palette. And I have this on my eyes, as you guys can see. I did use another palette for my eyebrow highlight, but majority of my eyes is from this palette, okay? Now we're going to move on to the next palette. Looks nice and colorful, ready for the summertime. I hope I don't look ashy because I did put on some lotion prior to. You guys know I do be ashy and I have to put it on prior to I'm on there. But anyway, this is what the palette is looking like right here. Very nice. Let's appreciate the graphics. Let's appreciate it right now, okay? Isn't this so lovely? Okay, very, very nice graphics. And on the inside, there's no mirror, but I'm not complaining because I don't use the makeup mirror anyway, so it's just like, don't bother me none. All right, so this is what the palette's looking like. Very nice and colorful, and ready for summer, y'all. Okay, I can't wait to use this. Okay, we gonna get ready for summer. Okay, I'm Juvia's Place. All right, so now we're gonna get into it. Okay, this doesn't have any names, so these are the colors, as you guys can see here. Maybe I could just put it here so you guys could see. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's see. All right, as you guys can see. So you see these colors here. With the burnt orange, I started here and went across. Okay? And so that's what it's looking like. Very nice summer colors. I like the pink. I'm not about that pink life, but that pink looks good. And that blue is like a sea green type deal, but it has more blue than green. So I may try that. You guys know I'm not about that green life. And the yellow doesn't really show up on me. And it's the brown colors and things of that nature. But they're pretty good. So I am not upset about this palette, okay? First impressions is pretty good so far, okay? So this is what it's looking like, you guys, okay? All right. Alright, so sorry you guys, you couldn't get my first my first reactions on it. My first reactions, are always priceless, but you couldn't get it because my microphone wanted to act up. So, Yeah, I'm getting a new microphone soon. We don't have to be, you know, doing all this or whatever like that. So we are upgrading, y'all. But anyway, I digress. All right, so we're gonna get into the I'm looking on my phone into the prices. All right, so the Zulu eyeshadow palette is $17.50, which is this one. I didn't use this yet, so this will be first impressions. And the Saharan 2 eyeshadow palette is $21.50. Okay, this is nice graphics as well. So yes, they did a really good job with the palettes. And you know, they don't have mirrors, but that's not going to be my downfall. And this is what the inside of this looks like. Okay, so these are pretty good, and I like the size of it. You know, you can see the palette and things of that nature, and I really do like it a lot. So they did a pretty good job with that. Okay, so it is very affordable. This is affordable. It's not on the ground, but you can order it. It's a black-owned business, and I don't know where I have been, but Juvia's Place been around for a while, and some people, you know, there has been some bad reviews and some, you know, a little bit bad things about Juvia's Place going around. So that's what kind of I kind of hesitated because of that. But I was like, you know what? Let me see my experience. Okay, let me see what happens when I order. And I had no problem ordering, no problem at all. And they're in Secaucus, New Jersey, so I didn't have a problem. Shipping was quick. I think I got here in like about 3 days or 2 days or whatever the case is. I ordered it and bam, there it was. I will be ordering from them again. So this is just the live swatches, and I will be doing a review on this palette alone. So I will be doing a separate video on that so you guys can see that. But that's basically it about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go get it. And that's basically it. This is just live swatches and basically first impressions on one of them, and I'll be doing a review on the other one. So please look out for that video when I do it, because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show some swatches and just talk a little bit about, you know, Juvia's Place and things of that nature. So, you know, get you some Juvia's Place. Ever since I purchased these, I've been seeing, especially Saharan 2, I've been seeing this a lot on YouTube. But I'm like, dag. And Juvia's Place have been around for a little while. You know, bigger YouTubers have been working with them and things of that nature. So, you know, Juvia's Place, I haven't had any problems. You know, some people have had problems, but I haven't. So, yeah, so I just wanted to give them a try, because you just never know. Maybe they was having a bad day or something like that, you know. So some things happen, you know, in a business. You can't help certain, you know, mishaps from happening. So, yeah, but anyway, I was praying when I did order it, but, you know, it's all good. But anyway, I forgot how much the shipping was. But you just order offline. It's not on the ground, but I'm going to find out if they do have a store somewhere in Jersey. But I'm not going to drive an hour and some change just to get some pallets. But if I don't want the shipping, but I think the shipping was pretty reasonable. So I will, you know, purchase this. But I will do a review on this in my next video. I believe this video will be up first, and then yeah, so you guys can hear my thoughts on the Saharan 2 palette. And I did my look with this. Okay, all right, you guys. So yeah, so please stay tuned for the Saharan 2 palette review, and that's it. This video was short and sweet, and yeah, sorry for my live reactions. I didn't have it, but I really do like the pigmentation. There are some that, you know, may need a little help, or probably, you know, wet the brush, or, you know, put a white base, or whatever the case is. But that's okay. Like, you know, what can you do? Okay, you can't have it all, you know. So I'm not gonna down it for that. But anyway, I digress. But you'll see my review on the other one. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope I didn't forget anything. I'll definitely annotate in the video if I do. But get you Juvia's Place. I finally got it after like mad long. What was I doing? Okay. But yeah, I got it. Okay. All right, that's it, you guys. I'm out of here. If you have any questions, comments, put in the ask. That's coming to the advance. I'm watching. Peace. Bye.